In this video, we'll learn how to set up and use the MEE Audio Pebbles Air. To begin, remove the protective film and place the earpieces back in the case. To charge, plug the case into a powered USB port. A full charge takes about 2 hours. A red light will be on while the unit is charging, and change to a white light when it is fully charged. Next, let's pair your Pebbles Air to your device. Open the charging case to automatically enter pairing mode. Then, use the Bluetooth menu of your device to select the MEE Audio Pebbles Air and complete the pairing process. Once your Pebbles are connected, identify the left and right earpieces. Place each earpiece in the corresponding ear, making sure the speaker is in front and the touch panel is behind the ear. With audio playing, adjust the speakers up and down to find the position that delivers the best audio performance. Next, we'll go over the features and controls. The touch control panels are located on the back of each earpiece. You will hear an audio prompt when you interact with the touch panel, so don't be afraid to experiment with the controls until you can operate them quickly and easily. Tap the touch panel on the right earpiece to increase the volume. Tap the touch panel on the left earpiece to decrease the volume. Tap the touch panel twice on either earpiece to play or pause your audio. This will also answer and hang up phone calls. To skip to the next track, hold the touch panel on the right earpiece for 2 seconds. To go to the previous track, hold the touch panel on the left earpiece for 2 seconds. Tap the touch panel on the right earpiece 3 times to activate your phone's voice assistant. The dynamic audio enhancement feature lets you switch between 4 audio modes. Tap the touch panel on the left earpiece 3 times to cycle through them. Try each mode and pick the one that synergizes best with your media. There's no one right mode for every situation. The audio modes and your phone's voice assistant are not available while on a phone call. Instead, tap the touch panel on either earpiece 3 times during a call to mute or unmute the microphone. Tap the touch panel on either earpiece 4 times to enable or disable the low-latency gaming mode, which can be used to reduce the audio delay when gaming. Lastly, tap the touch panel on either earpiece 5 times to enable or disable the Bluetooth multipoint feature. Bluetooth multipoint can be used to connect 2 Bluetooth devices to your Pebbles Air simultaneously. When you are finished using them, put earpieces back in the case and close the lid to power off your Pebbles Air. You can check the battery level of your case at any time. First, make sure the charging cable is not plugged in. Then, open the case lid to activate the battery indicator light. If you are having any problems with your Pebbles Air, we recommend resetting and reconnecting them to your device. To reset your Pebbles Air, place both earpieces in your ears. Then tap the touch panel on either earpiece 6 times. If successful, you will hear a voice prompt. This will erase all previous Bluetooth pairings and reset all settings back to their defaults. You'll need to pair the Pebbles Air with your device before using it again. If you are using the same device, you may need to unpair or delete it from your Bluetooth list before creating a new pairing. That's all you need to get started with your Pebbles Air. Need help? Contact us by phone, email, or website chat. Links are in the video description. Thanks for watching.